I told her the way the car sits, she should back it in, lining up back.
Yeah, right. I know.
What do they call that? That Carolina? Y'all got that?
Yeah, the Carolina squat. Yeah. Oh yeah.
For what you were driving?
Went a little right. That's like whatever.
Yeah, we tried to go for a little bit. It was too hot.
Yeah. So then what happened?
It went out, shook, probably right past 60 foot, went right. So it was too hot. Yeah.
Did it like it took like you got out of your car?
Yeah, it paddled, and I was worried for a split second that I was gonna cross, and I was like,
well, no.
yeah, not gonna cross on this run. Good job, Lizzie.
All right, there you go, Ryan.
Nate went to go put it on the brake. Would never come up. No boost. It broke the shaft again. Gearbox. You've seen 3, and I'm up to 2 already. So that's 5 altogether. Gotta be a heat treat or something, ain't it? Something.
Probably the 9,000 laps you've probably done since the last one.
No, we've got a lot of gearbox.
I'm just saying, you know,
I
like,
do make a lot of laps. You're not wrong.
I really don't know anyone that's kept an eye on how many laps I've done. Right?
I left the 10 fucking minutes to take a shower, and you guys fucking break it.
Went to try to put it on the brake. No boost.
No boosties?
No boosties. No boostiers.
Let me in here, buddy. Good.
I blame Ricky. He put that fucking gear set in. Your pry bar? Pry bar, little pry bar. Rick, behind you. Hey, never mind, we got it.
916 on extension, electric ratchet.
Put on the waistband, don't think, right?
Huh? Yeah, wastegate. Look at that. Get your 916s.
Even got the ring around there.
I can't believe that shit.
I didn't even look because I didn't think we put that much in it.
Huh. It must have been lopsided, huh, Rick? Really? What do you think that red shit is on there? Smurf time ago. Papa Smurf cum?
That would be blue.
Not Papa Smurf.
It's red.
He wears red hat.
You can't trick Bean, he knows all types of it.
Yeah. Fuck, I'm telling you.
You're talking to the expert in his field there.
Bean's a juice connoisseur is what you're saying?
Literally.
That's fucked up. It could be worse. You hear what I told?
He prefers to taste test.
You hear what I told? You hear what I told Ricky the other day? I said, dude, I'm gonna fucking come up there in your cubby hole and fucking jizz on your beard and make you look like a toaster strudel.
Oh, that's going to be good YouTube material.
Hey, when you upload that there, you got the thing like, is it suitable for kids?
No.
What is right?
Something about putting it in his, what was it? God dang. What did he say on the radio? Cinnamon roll or some shit?
Huh?
He said, talking about your toaster strudel and you were putting it up with cinnamon roll or something?
Oh, yeah.
I found a nice little daily driver, C6, C7, C06. It had 400 miles on it.
We should have popped those loose before we took that off. since we're changing it. I've seen the back six.
Just much rather have it going down. Pussy all your life, Ricker.
Why not?
Because it doesn't work that way.
Keep going.
I know, I can see it now. You know what? I probably put my glasses on. It might help. I'll get it, Rick. Fuck, quit hovering. Fucking like my accident.
I wouldn't think that would do it, but.
But if that's what they're saying, if we can not cause it to do that,
Triple check all your triple checks.
yeah.
But Bobby, you can still finish second. You can still finish second.
Boosted.
Hey, why you look like Paul Bear?
Bobby, you're fat and short. You got no room to talk. Look at it. You're as wide as you can talk. Look at you.
Fuck, y'all should just fight it out.
Rick, we gotta go start going on the other side. I'll finish this. We gotta take these off the head.
Hold on to that. Did the valve drop? We gotta take the header off that side too?
We gotta hold it up.
Thank you very much, sir.
You done with the bottom? Yeah. Alright.
That's why.
Alright.
Ohio State game. You know what that means, Oh, wait.
Hold.
Just keep bringing it all the way.
Alright. Once again, locals only. First round coming right now. My microphone on.
Is there anything routinely that we're overlooking? Got fuel in it?
Got you? Yeah. Check it right now. Thank you.
Does not have fuel.
Watch that fucking power. I need a light.
You need a light here.
This is barely holding in there. Everything.
No, it's good. It's good.